Greetings everyone, I'm bringing a new video about the markets, both the financial market and the OTC markets. In this case, we're going to talk about an interesting topic, that's ABC waving correction. We're going to rally the TradingView platform to give the explanation quick and simple. We're not going to look for an entry, but the idea is to identify the structure based on the movement. That is, identify when it's correction, when it ends to based on the can enter the bullish or the bearish continuation. It will be dependent on the case. Let's go to the TradingView section. For those who don't know what the TradingView is, it's a platform to analyze the financial markets, commodities, cryptocurrency, and others. Okay, we are a TradingView. Why I'm going to use explanation like this? Because here I find it's more easy. I'm not going to be the guide by the movements. I'm just going to that theoretical explanation, and we will see what movements is despair. All right. If you look here as it shows and look at what the waves are. Here's the wave section. I'm going to use this correction wave ABC. Generally, the normal wave is composed to the upward movement and the downward momentum retracement. Okay, we just need to use this one. Of course, it's bigger than other, but it's only to exemplify what I'm explanation. In bearish, in momentum recoil, and that's this bearish wave. Bullish wave, guys. When you get this, we're going to focus on the state of this wave, which is this correction, either downward to continue rising or upward to continue falling, and that will be defined by the trends. Okay, when you get this in defining the trends, define the trend where we will then define the correction, then I will click mark in the moment here. We are going to mark here the correction to the example and encompassing this ABC. The price is going up trends. If you see like this, the price is going up and you see the correction. Pull back, of course. This is wave is composed on 3, not in 5. Of course, that can be subdivided into many waves. Look at this. Okay. In many movements, if I see this wave in 4 hours, then the correction cap of the 1 hour is seen as a wave of 5. That's another theory. That's sometimes also. Okay, so the acceleration just gives me a change of structure based on the breaking lows, the retracement to the more or less on this area. Look at this. Okay, there's strategy use Fibonacci. Let's use that one to see that more. Okay, here's a button to define what there's areas, and look how the movement should reach in the 0607. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Of course, sometimes it's go to the up 9, but it's normal. That's our same thing. Okay? It will depend on the price action of the assets. And this we're going to get answered continuation of the movement correction. Okay? That's one is in it. Alright. Identifying the correction, give myself the impulse. Look at this. All right, and the price reached the X. This mark right here, I can mark the initial wave. Okay, I'm going to remove all that again. We're going to delete this, and that will be my number on the entry. It would be in the count trend. So let's do this. The idea would be in favor of the trend, guys, where the pullback gives me where to enter more or less. Okay, I know that is a little confused, but when you get this theory, that is so easy for you. So momentum retracement, momentum retracement, momentum retracement, continue of bear markets. For that, 1 and 2. Wave 1, wave 2, it is back to the ABC correction. Alright. Here is in the pocket option, here is difficult for me to trace how many waves. That's why I use the trading view support. And here you see the same look. Well, it depends, alright. Let's make this one. Look right here. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now, but here you don't see what the ABC. Let's see that right now. Yeah, it's a little. Hidden like that, but in 1 minute you can see that. But you can see that 30 seconds. Maybe that's pretty good to change this to 30 seconds. All right. No, here in the BC this market because they are so surveyed. So we're going to market here. The details does lat underline. I have to use another tool, but it's good. We can use that, the trend line. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. That's good. I launched Fibonacci soon for you. Just momentum retrace and the post right here. 1, 2. Yep. The corrective ABC of wave 3. Okay. Just to do that, the Fibonacci, just use the line as I'm sure for you in the trade view. Look at that. That is the same portion. Okay. Well, Hogley on 0.7, more or less. It's not that is to be exactly, but look more or less at the volume here. It's making the momentum, and this is wave 5 in bullish continuation. Okay, that's pretty good. Guys, I invite you to subscribe to the video. I hope the explanation that was used for you to understand that. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a good day, and see you. Bye-bye.